Lucretia, you are wicked. You feel someone to find out? Eh? You feel someone to find out what going?
Find out what?
When me say find out, say what? Eh?
Find out what?
Explain yourself right now before me have to tell you in details what me hear a road. But what you a do?
What me I do?
When me say what me a do?
Do something what you don't know.
Lucretia, stop going like a nonsense, Lucretia. And that with you know, when you just stubborn.
Me not do nothing.
What me say? You did in my house. 2 pit in my house. I do what?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Careful enough, kid. Walk one. Hold on there. Turn around there.
Bird, what happened?
Lucretia. Hold on now. A long time you know, you know see me.
I pass me the pass, you know. I me see the face, I say look familiar like a somebody when me know name Bird, you know.
Boy, we know you're good enough. We don't know how on God's earth to pick me up for so long.
No man, a long time
I'm
I
the
not
man
see
in
you.
the flesh, so you're going with my long time I don't see you.
Boy, me there, you know, I'm a giddy and you see it.
See?
So all of them kids are yours?
Yeah, man. All of them you see. I hold 3 of them. All the one you see I run up and down, boy.
And lie.
Yeah, man. This right here, so.
But you're a better one, man.
This a Diallo, yeah.
Yes.
And that a Jazar there, so.
Mm-hmm.
Say hi to Lucretia there.
Hi.
Little baby they run the place. And I park and I say me them, we just carry them out on the day and come make them little enjoy themselves and stuff still, you know.
Okay.
And thing. And so forth. So you and the man are still together?
No, sir.
Oh.
You're a better one. You
Why
look,
you say
you
that?
have 3 children.
Yeah, but I want to tell you, I have 3 of them, you know, but between me, hold on there. I don't really want to talk around them in here still. So, we're going to go Jazz and Diallo. Let's go play with them, brother. Them. So come. Me and Lucretia talk a little here.
All right.
All right, no problem. But sit down and me tell you what I want still, you know. Ah, boy. Anyway, I don't know, but get it long and short. You see them youth here? I don't really feel me one them.
I don't feel them.
No. Me and the woman try from when and boy, I don't know like a me. Well, at least like a me I problem. But you know, she stick by me still for the time. I say, woman, you know, married and everything, but in a nice process. But you see what we get through, no? Is that agency we got through. Children, woman, little adoption and thing. You know, it just feel just like home. You don't really feel no different. Yeah, man, for real.
So hold on there. Adoption. So adopt all of them?
All of them were yesterday.
Then
all the
Bird.
little one there.
Bird. The years them we you know me find you know with not even one pitney.
A long time I don't see you, but at the end of the day, I hear something or 3 grapevines, boy, something. But for real, how I going with you, by the way? No, you?
It come like I say, me and you are sailing at the same boat. Me no get not even one. Did every doctor me go, me try this a doctor, that the doctor, Indian, nigger, Chinese, white, every doctor me try. Then say the same thing. Me can't get pregnant.
Boy, you know, I see them both still, but they call it sterile and call me. But at the end of the day, all hope no last. You can still get youth. But you what now?
Some would like to know about this adoption thing.
Yeah, man, a simple something, man. You see, if you have a stable home, you have a partner, you're married, or you know, you're not married. But if you have a steady partner and income, everything where you live stable, where you can accommodate kids and so forth, you're good. I never was sitting there. I have little links, you know, and I can line up on the links. But, and you know the fun part about it? And I really say fun, you know, but I can't tell you. It come with a little thing there because government kind of give a little pandemic. Yeah, man.
I like.
Yeah, man.
Money.
Yeah, man. Government give you a little help
So
towards
how
them.
you get that the money then now? Like how weekly, fortnight
No,
or
man,
monthly?
I'm monthly them give you a check.
I like.
Yeah, man, because what happen, All right, you see, you look at one now, for him, mother kind of abandon him, and.
Mm-hmm.
It's a long story. I don't even want to talk. A big one now for him, father now is a drug addict and so forth. So, them kind of kids, make no sense because them not gonna grow up on the street or whatever. There's a lot of kids in them places. So at the end of the day, them kind of glad to see when stable people hold them. But we can't really do it alone, But what happen, the government, they help. Help, man. Government have work, man. They help.
And them look so
Yeah,
beautiful.
man, I tell you, man.
So nice children, them
Yeah,
you get
man.
still, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'll go and pick them myself, me
But
and my wife.
but it a benefit you too.
Yeah,
Can
man.
you get money?
Oh,
and
God,
say,
man. Them I couldn't do it without it. And me get good money, too.
show backside. You have to go tell me about this a deal. Like, I'm
Yeah,
look
man.
forget.
But you seriously? You want to do it?
Me want it.
Me have a link down there
Whether
with somebody
two,
we can.
3 or 1, but you know if you get more money, me that want about 2 or 3.
Yeah, man. But, yeah, man, it's a process. So me can introduce it to the person. Surely, man. Don't worry about it.
Alright.
You understand what I mean?
Yes, man, because I really want some kids in my yard, you know.
All right, no problem, man. And just make sure everything's stable and everything nice. And
All right.
The money is not a problem because if you are work, the woman at work, and you get money from the government, you'll be able to sustain them.
Okay.
Don't worry about the part there.
Okay.
You understand what I mean? But, so you go still, but,
But me no want no big old picnic, you know, when I no manners to
No,
pick me,
man, that one, DLR 12, I'm going to tell you some more manners than me you can't find.
Oh,
Good.
and you take him from
Yeah,
him
man,
small.
yeah, man. All right. Then that me tell you,
Okay,
man.
all right.
And the last one, I'm going to get you nowhere, and so forth. But everything, Chris, man. I'm going to line you up.
They look nice, don't
Yeah,
like
man.
how you
I'm going to take care of them, man. I'm going to line them up. Hey, Diallo? You know all right? Taylor? Okay. All right. No problem. No, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Just, a long time now. Put your number in here, so. Now go give you the link and tell you about everything all right. You know, so me on the park with the people, them and sit them and enjoy themselves and thing,
See there. You must know my name for a long time, Lucretia.
Who could have forget your name, man? What teeth you get when you're young there?
If you tell about
All right. No worry yourself. But,
all right.
as me say, I go call your phone and you call me back. So you know you get the number.
Line up a link for me, you know.
I have a line up the
I
link for you, man.
definitely
No, man,
need that
everybody,
they be
look
picnic,
here, the joy of growing a child, feel complete.
Yes.
Because I wait upon the earth for multiply. But
Me
at the
can
end of the
just-
day, if even a year one, it feel good for you care up a youth for yourself.
Yes.
So I go link you up, man, because trust me, I know how you feel.
What?
I made you feel so.
Me can
A boy,
just
my
imagine.
woman, me swear say a woman, but I have no idea me have a problem.
Yes.
So you understand what I mean? And she give me a chance. Because some people, man, that go road will get picked. And woman, you understand what I mean? But at the
It
end of
look
the
like
day,
I'm me are the problem.
that's how you go.
Because between me and you, no bird. The amount of man when me take you one tell me say the whole of them can't breed me.
That's how you go still,
Eh?
but
No, listen what me I say carefully, bird. You know me long time, me a friend. Me can't tell you any little thing.
eh.
Every doctor when me go, me tell you before, I true, and I lie me they tell. All of them say the same thing. Me cannot get pregnant. Then look at me big old great one woman. From me born until now and they take man. You want to say all of them man them when me take none of them can breed me and me have problem. Me believe it, doctor. Them.
All hope.
So link me up on this.
Yeah, man,
and
I'm
go
going to
good.
link you, man. A straight link up. But all hopes is not lost.
Make sure you call me phone and make me get back your number. You know.
I'm not disappointed, man. Because
Okay.
I want to see more of those kids in good hands.
All right.
And the government will help you. Don't worry about it.
All right.
All right?
Thank you very much.
Don't worry
eh?
yourself, man.
Big
You're
up
good.
yourself, you know. Just keep
All
it
right.
link. Remember, if you call me, you know.
I go call you.
All right,
Don't worry
because
yourself,
me have to
man.
do this. Me can't tell no lie.
Never do everything for you, man. Don't worry
Yes.
yourself. All right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, man. Me call you. Don't worry
Thank
yourself.
you.
All right. Wanna stay? Oh, you hold on to make sure. Look here, man. You stay one place there. All right?
Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning. Give me a second, please. And there we go. Hi, good morning. My name is Dr. Lipkiss, and you are
I'm Lucretia Tanup.
Lucretia Tanup. All right, please have a seat.
Thank you.
Okay, so Miss Lucretia Tanup, how may I assist you today?
Get some information that this place is the adoption place and I would like to adopt. if I have one or two children.
You are indeed at the correct place. However, there are certain criteria that are required of you in order to be eligible to actually have or get children,
Of
correct?
course, yes, sure.
Okay. So you mind me asking if you have any kids experience or have any children before now?
Yes,
You do?
I do. Yes,
Lovely.
but they're grown up, so I need some smaller ones.
You need some smaller kids. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, cool, cool.
They're not living with me anymore. Yeah.
Good. All right. What is your marital status?
I am married and I live with my husband.
Okay, interesting. How many years have you been married?
About 10 to 12 years.
10 to 12 years.
Yeah, I would say 12. Yeah,
Okay.
because the time's flying so fast. Definitely 12.
I can understand. I can understand.
Yeah.
And do you and your spouse work?
Yes, we do work. We are very independent people.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. That's nice. That's lovely. All right, just a few more questions. All right, so you work. How many bedrooms do you have, might I ask?
Okay, it's a big mansion, but
Ooh.
we only occupy about 4 rooms, a living room, a dining, and a kitchen with 3 balcony.
My.
Yeah.
Which area is this house located?
Okay, the community is St. Lucia, but I'm living in St. James.
Community is St. Lucia,
Yeah.
living in St. James. Okay, cool. That's nice. That's nice. All right. So far, the information that I've asked you seem to fit the bill. All right. So I might need to ask you a few more personal questions, like what is your monthly income?
Okay, 325,000. Yeah,
Okay. And is this a household income or this is just your income?
both.
This is for both persons. So this would definitely show that you guys are financially able to take care of another child. Okay.
Sure.
That's nice. Might I ask why your husband did not accompany you here today?
Oh, he's on some business overseas. He's on a vacation.
Oh.
Yeah, he's not coming back until 3 weeks' time.
Are you sure there is no other way to get him here? Because this is a course of 3 meetings, and we definitely would like for you and your
He will
husband
be here, sure.
come in for the
Yes.
second meeting.
If you guys need him to talk to, I can let him plan to come and have a meeting with you guys.
Okay, we are halfway there, Miss Tanop. What is your husband's name?
Okay, my husband's surname is Mr. Tanop. His full name, do you need his full name?
Yes, please.
Forever Tanop. His first name is Forever.
Okay,
Yeah.
that is Forever Tanop. Okay, got that. All right, so how old are you guys?
Okay, he's just 2 years older than me.
And might I ask your age, please?
Okay, I am 46 and he's 48.
Okay, 46, 48. This checks out. You guys live in this community. And do you guys attend the church?
Yes, we do, every Sunday.
Every Sunday. Okay, that's lovely. That's lovely. That's lovely.
Yeah, we go to Pentecostal church.
All right. So you're looking for kids to adopt, right? Do you have any particular child that you might be looking for at this moment?
Doesn't matter whether boy or girl.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
All right.
We
Do you
just
have a
need.
specific color you're
Oh.
looking for?
Well, I wouldn't say complexion. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, because I don't want to be racist, so it could go to any complexion.
All right. Any specific age group?
I need them very small. I don't want them to be too big. Yeah.
Okay. So are we talking about ages between 3 to 6 or 5 to 10?
10 is a little bit too old. I think 3 to 6.
3 to 6 years old. Okay. Got you there.
Is there any kids here that I can see the size or so?
All right. So Most of the
Ah,
kids are actually in class at the moment.
okay.
However, there should be one inside that. Yes, you could see. Her name is Angel. Angel, could you come here for a minute, please? Yes, this is one of our youngsters that we have here. As you can see, well-groomed individual, and she is up for adoption if you would be interested. Are you interested any at all?
Oh, no, thank you, sir. This one is too big. I need younger kids.
You need a younger child. All right. Thank
This
you very
one,
much.
this one look very rude, you know? Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we do take pride in our facility. We take pride in trying to groom the kids as best as possible to grow.
Excuse me, why do you guys have kids at this age? Big kids like this over here?
All right. So unfortunately, it's a system. And the majority of the kids go through the system without ever getting picked up by a home.
This one?
And
Oh my God.
unfortunately, she has been here for some time now, and nobody has taken her up as yet. She has been to a couple of homes, however, she returned based on the fact that they did not find her to fit their criteria or living arrangements, unfortunately. But as I said to you,
How old is her?
she is 15
Oh my God.
presently.
That one is too old and she look a bit rude, feisty, and like she don't have any manners.
I I am not entirely sure that her face describes the personality, as she is a very nice person if you do get to know her.
Okay.
She is one to be fun, jovial, and she's not. She actually likes to keep by herself on her phone.
Oh.
So that's
So can I see the rest of kids? Where are they?
unfortunately they are actually at in class right now, and I don't want to pull them out the class. However, on your third meeting, we will arrange for you to meet all the kids for you to have your pick of the lot.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you do understand that this will be our first official meeting. So today is the 8th of December. And our second meeting, when did you say you could get your husband to come down with you?
I can just call him and talk to him and tell him that we have a meeting, so we'll plan for that appointment anytime it's
So
available.
how about a week from now?
No problem.
A week from now. So that's a week from now would be on the 15th. The 15th of January, bright and early, 9 o'clock. You would be here with your husband to go through some more of the finer details.
Okay. So
Before you leave, we just would like to let you know that we also do give aid to families that, their heart are in the right place. However, they're not financially able. It is mandatory that I do explain this to you. So we do give a monthly stipend in aid to assist with the child. Yes, there we go. You are now in our database and is now completely registered. Thank you for coming in, Mrs. Stanhope.
okay, it was nice meeting
Looking
you.
forward to seeing you and your husband next week. All right.
Okay, thank you very much.
Have a good day.
You too, sir.
Yes. All right.
Hello, my big friend. Come here now.
Pull the gate and come to me, man. No, take out the sit now tight, so. Yeah, find the hole. Yeah. Find back the hole and put it in it. Yeah.
What going on? A long time I not see you.
Glad to see you, as they say. It's been a while, and time I want to see you, I can't see you. I try to get to you, but yeah, tell me other story. You know the thing already?
Listen, you know. Me a friend for a long time.
No.
What do you mean no? A long time me a friend. I'm really have something
And
important.
you put me in the friend zone. Why you put me in the friend zone? I mean, don't tell you how you should have been go already. I just say you feel live, you know? I just say you feel live. So you come right now, come wake up one memory when me never, not even want to remember still.
No, but me no want you still. Me still no want you. I no sitting like me come and look you. Me just have me put you on one job and me pay you.
You put
Anytime
me
me
on
get,
job?
yeah man, me have some money to get as soon as me get it. Me I go pay you one money if you do something for me. But here the deal now.
Mm-hmm.
Me I go pay you if you do something for me. And you can't joke out the deal, you know. Serious something this, you know.
You call me joker?
No man, you're not no joker man, but me no want to get in no problem. So me need you to listen to me keenly.
Tell me what you tell me, man.
We
On
go
top
on
respect.
adoption place where children there.
Mm.
Me cannot get pregnant. All my life, me dey try to get pregnant and me can't get pregnant. Me no know what to do me. And me go a doctor many different times and the doctor say, then can't find out what happened to me. So, me go to the adoption place and me did a do an interview. The question them with them did a ask me. I be like me have to tell them because me need the child for two. If they can give me 2 or 1 or 3, me they take it as long as me have some people around me to call them my own. So here and now, me don't tell the interviewer, the person who interview me,
Mm-hmm.
say me have kids already and everything. You understand?
Oh, so
So
some cook up
me,
businesses you know.
no man, listen to me no man. No, you go on like I say no one help me so my youth. A
No
long
matter
time me
that.
and friend, you know.
But you see, you're going back a friend again. Me tell you, put me in a friend zone.
No,
Me
but
never
look
want you
here,
to
me
be a
know say you
friend.
did a look me, but I just told me never really sure of you.
I
You
bet
know?
say if you don't try me, you get a pitney.
All
You
that,
understand me? I say?
all that to God no.
If you don't try me, you know, you have to get a pitney because me and call breeder, you know. I don't know if you know that. Me never miss yet if me want to show. That's because enough time me know say, you know what I mean, a girl can't maintain certain things and pitney so make him dash away.
Alright, so here I know.
You not interested?
Me I go give you the money. Me no want you breed me man. They no say me can't breed already. That's why me I do this. Me try too much time and it not work out. And me feel left out when me see other mothers with for them kids. So me feel like I say, me I no want woman. Me I no lady just like them because I'm not a mother. So me want to feel like I want a mother. Me go to adoption place. You understand? So for me, get the child or children, because I don't care how much of them they give me, you know, whether 3, 2 or 1. Them
Yes,
go and
certainly.
know say me get it.
I say,
Me go pay you one money. If you come with me and tell them say, you are my husband.
Bomba.
Because me want the pitney. Me need them to give me children or pitney, whether 1, 2,
Whatever
3. I
possible.
don't care. Anything possible,
All
whether
right, all
boy
right.
or girl. I need to have some kid in my life to be a mother and feel like a mother. So, me have some money to get me tell you before. You see it? You see, anytime I get it, me I go give out thing out there.
When you
So
say a
that
thing,
means
what you mean? Like, give me a figure number, you can't tell me a thing.
me no know how much
Cause,
me I
cause
go
what if
get
me
it.
go up so and then go do this for you? And you're going to top with 5,000 of
No
me.
man, me I give you more than that man. You're bad man a long time me know you, you know. Remember say you used to look me.
No, that man, but I also I go on because any loss I
Listen
go
what
be
me I
your
say.
loss, you know.
Just listen what me I say. Cause this a
You
serious
can't come in
business.
that one.
No man, listen me now, can you? Me I go pay you. Somebody. Me talk to somebody and then tell me say, every month, them a go give me money.
If you
Yes.
maintain this pitney,
No man, nobody think about that. Me I go get some money every month. The person go give me one stipend every month.
okay,
No
okay.
matter if about no child or no this or no that or food or whatever. My money that. You don't know what kind of business me and that the person they in.
Alright.
So me go pay you out of it.
Okay.
5,000 a little bit of money, man. You mad me, I'll give you more than that. So me want you come tell them, say, yes, me and you there. For a long time. You understand? Whole heap of years we there, you know. You understand me? Remember what me I say, you know? Me and you there for about 10 to 12 years. So me know say easy if you got things. So listen what me I tell you now. Here,
Me not have to forget no, man. Everything good.
listen, you know.
But which day? Because you know, me have
Remember
some
say,
balls.
listen man, me have to think first before me talk, you know, because I don't want you to forget. Listen man. Name? Your surname. If you can guess good, tell me your surname.
Me no know. Come no man, can't start give me story and then something man.
Turn up.
Turn up.
Yes.
My surname name turn up.
Yes.
Like turn up.
Turn up. Any how you want put it. Turn up.
So make you come with a surname now.
But your first name is forever.
Me bum. So
Me
wait.
and you married, so me is Mistress Turn Up and you is Mr. Turn Up.
So me name forever turn up. What was it?
See you where you go, boy.
Yes, that's
You have piece of money to get.
Well,
But you have to wait till a month time when me get it. Every month when me get it, me give you a thing out there.
well if I saw the
You hear?
case. If I
So
saw
when
the
you
case.
come with me, you know, and act like I say we are wife and husband for a long time and we have some picnic and the picnic them grow up big and them in a age now and gone and then one so we need some little children around with. See?
Alright.
All right.
Come on.
So make sure
Yeah,
this is a
Tom.
deal.
I first say money upon him with upon it.
Money depend on me want the picnic from the adoption place. Me cannot breed.
You see me still there so and you forward. That if you see in the past, they say you know. Come there think about home, you can maintain and other business. Cause living in that culture it's just hard to survive for one paycheck. So I'm glad they come to me with this still, even though I don't really want to help with that way there. Cause I can help you to get a picnic.
All right, Paul.
Yeah man, know yourself man.
Paul, a long time I know you, you know. Nobody make me not get you now, you know. No this me, you know, my youth. Me I depend on you, you know.
Long time no good enough.
Paul, man.
You
Remember
still,
what your name when you come at the place.
you still exercise in the morning?
Sure, later,
Let
man.
me exercise one morning
Later,
too.
later.
Even you don't know, so me.
You know, shut your mouth. You talk too much.
Relax.
And you feel relax. Why you talk
You
say?
forget something, I do you a favor? You know, Pam, sir.
What that mean?
What mean, sir, what that mean? And everything start from yes, sir. So you have to decide the mind what you want to do. And maybe go down and bust a big kiss too.
Pan over lip. Yes. Hello, sir.
How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
I met your lovely wife and you are Mr.
Forever turn up.
Okay, so nice
Yeah,
to
man.
meet you. My name is Dr. Lipkiss.
Yes, Doctor.
Alright.
Dr. Lipkis. I realize I want to see, but no problem. Because me like her, my wife is comfortable. And I stand by her side.
Yes, sir. Okay, so we had scheduled an appointment for the 15th, which is today. I see that you guys are on time.
Yes.
That says a lot about the family and all of that. So I had spoken to your lovely wife in the first interview, and however, I would just like to ask you a few questions to collaborate with what your wife had already mentioned to me. Okay, cool. All right, so my first question would be like, how long have you guys been married?
Well, say we married for 5 to 10 to after we married for how long we married? No, because I guess I know. I say from when we meet, separate from 10 to 12 years, boss. Cause you know.
Call it 12 years.
Yeah, call it 12 years. Cause you know normally sometimes some people put in when they meet.
I
And
do
all
understand. I understand what you're saying. So it is the 10 to 12
10 to 12
years.
years.
Okay. I get you. All right. So my very next question would be, how old are you, sir?
Me?
Yes, sir.
I thought you 7 years old. What that one?
How much?
Hmm?
How much are you, sir?
See, 48.
48-year-old. For a second there, I thought you said 37 in, so I had to recheck because wifey here did tell me 48. So,
The thing is, me, I feel wonder what I say. You understand?
so I'm not
Somebody tell
speaking
me.
clearly or projecting my voice properly.
No, excuse me, sir. He was on a vacation, remember I told you, so they have some drinking and stuff. So maybe the alcohol is still in his head, you know?
Interesting.
Yeah.
Very much interesting. All right. So I did ask your wife this question. How much was the income you guys have coming in? How much income do you guys generate at the end of each month?
Alright, you see, there's a lot of things we do, you know. We killed 4.
Well, I don't really want to know exactly what you do. I just want to know the bottom line, the final figure that you guys generate and come in at the end of the month.
Well, let me say, we do a lot of things, but 325,000.
325, which is not bad. It is not bad. All right. So, how many kids do you guys have?
Oh yeah, okay. We say we not
Would you guys
sometimes I
like a
prefer when you
minute?
talk, you know. That
Would you guys
But
like a
it
minute?
seems like because we are getting old in age, sometimes we don't remember certain stuff. We have kids about 5, yeah, exact.
Yeah, we have 5 kids. Is that?
5 kids, yeah. But they're all grown up. And
Yes.
they're not living with us.
Exactly, because the last one when I go to college.
Oh, so this is why you're saying on the kids because
Exactly,
there's
they not
nobody
live with
at the
us.
house. So
Exactly.
I do understand. I do
Yeah, I can
understand.
explain clearly because
Alright, so 5 kids. They're about. Alright, lovely. Do you guys go to church?
Church?
Yes, we do.
Why is it that you guys feel the need to adopt kids at this stage?
She, sometimes get a little lonely at the house.
Right.
Because, basically she's there alone sometimes based on, me going to work and doing all these things. Sometimes I run taxi, sometimes, I do all kind of thing, carpentry. Jack of all trade, you know what I mean? So, sometimes she want to go company at the house. And that's the major thing. Our brother's the last one where they are college and stuff. So we need her to have a little company, and that is what, we try to work at.
Based on the explanation you gave to me, it's like you are not so much around and you want somebody to fill the gap to keep her company.
No, don't get it wrong. It's not that I'm not around. Because, as a man, we have to stand with ground and work. You understand what I said?
Right.
So most times, in these cases, the woman is at home and she's doing a lot of stuff and she just want to go company. And that is her, being a housewife is what she used to do and she want to become, right? Right, my honey, Lucretia.
Yes.
Yes, and that is why we're here. And she, as you can see, we can do more visits and things, and you can find out how serious we are about ourselves together.
I
know what I
most
mean?
definitely will be coming to your house. And speaking of
You will
which,
come to the house?
I will be coming to the house. What if I just turn up at the residence as opposed to making a date? Because I don't want you guys to plan for me, I want to actually just.
No, but that doesn't make
Get
any
there.
sense. I think you should have
What if
called
you
us
did it?
first because we don't
if
have to
you-
be
yeah,
there.
what
We
if
could
you
gone
did?
somewhere else. We have important stuff to get done.
Yeah.
No. I think it's best and it is mandatory for me to not announce that I am coming, but I should just turn up, seeing as you are the residents of the AM house, which you guys are speaking
So
of.
what time y'all come back?
I will not disclose that.
You see, that's the problem.
Okay, but we don't want you to go at the wrong
Welcome.
place, so it makes sense. You
Don't worry about it. Phase 2 has been completed. All right, final phase is on its way. Thank you very much for coming in, Miss Tanop
You're welcome.
and Mr. Tanop.
Yeah, man.
All right, sir.
It's a pleasure.
All right,
Yeah,
looking
man.
forward to
And
seeing you guys again.
Yes, man.
It is
Thank you, man.
Mistress, turn up.
Yes.
My apologies.
Okay.
It's just Tanop.
Okay.
All right, have you guys a very good day.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Bye.
Okay.
Pal. Wait.
No fright, Mr. Man.
Yeah.
Eh? Let me say me alright. What say woman can do me now? Me not deep thoughts, so I come fright me now.
So I make you go and sour.
Let me say me a go on so.
I want me do to you now, cause I will cast this.
Let me say what cast this. You know what cast this? You don't want to give me none and say you come run me down like say you're friend, like me your friend. Eh? Put me in a friend zone and you feel comfortable, not you? Put me in a friend zone.
I say you come down.
Let me say something. Are you for come down?
I say you come down. Everything good. Anyway, me come to tell you say, me I go move in your house.
Moving to my house.
Mm-hmm.
How comes that?
Because the man will work at adoption place. I go come check we. So me have to did them. Remember said this is a plan thing. You are my husband. And me is your wife.
Lucretia, let me tell you this. This is a situation where you put me in right now and it sounds sticky, you know. Because me never bargain for you moving to my house and come lock my shop. You understand me I say? Because when you there my house, what's going to happen now? Even though, as you say, it makes perfect sense based on what you are trying to explain.
Then suppose me when they in a real life with you, look how long you look me. I same thing you do. Use me.
No,
I say me can't live with you.
no.
Well, call it
That's
say me
different.
or they know.
No, we can't call it say nothing no go on.
Just call it so. Call it so.
Not even a kiss, not even a chups,
nah,
nothing. Eh?
Nah, kiss you. Look,
No,
kiss
but
you.
no, listen to me. If you move to my house, you know, you have to sleep in my bed.
How can say you have more than one bed? Me not have to sleep in your bed. Me sleep on the floor.
So we have to make it sit and sound real and look real. We have to practice.
He already real. Just do what me say.
Why? So you can't do what me say?
No man, do what I say.
So why you can't do what I say?
What you say no make no sense. Just listen now. You see too because the adoption man, I go come over there, me have to do there, me have to have clothes in your house, me have to act like I say.
I hear that already, but you don't understand what me I said to you.
Remember say pay me and pay you know my youth.
Yes, talking about pay. Good talk. How much you pay? What you think? You know, I already planned
No, true, you did I say. Make sure it's either if I $5,000 me I give me if make sure it's enough. No, me not give no $5,000.
How much you give me?
$10,000 every month.
Lucretia, think about it. You come on my yard, come burn my current. Use out my, cut down my space and time. Right? And you give me 10,000, 20,000 Lucretia.
No. You don't know how much money me I go get. For me can give you so much. You're lucky
Listen
to
to
me I
me.
give you 10 grand.
$20,000 me need in my pocket monthly.
$10,000 me I give you. $10,000 that I deal. And that me can give you. You know say if me don't get no whole heap of money, but I give you more than that. But I don't know whole heap of money me I get.
Lucretia, you sure you can't give me more money for it?
Listen to me.
I just the only reason why I'm even consider everything right now like I'm done good on my place already.
How much money you think say me I get though?
Me know that if you tell
And
me.
you not even know who me I get it from. You don't know how me I get it or why me I get it. You just tell me how much you want. That how much me can give you, me I tell you right now. So me can give you 10.
So it means how much
That
money
me I
I
tell you.
get?
Any
That
amount
time.
of me can... Huh?
It means how much money I
You
get?
want to tell me say me I get $18,000 and I give you 10 out there and you still want more? So how much me go get? I just eat that you know me go get you know?
Give me never know say that I situation. Give me 10 then.
Me I leg you more than that when me I get. How am to you?
Give me 10. If that's be the case.
So me I go move
You move
in.
in?
Yeah.
You can't
Me
wear. So where you sleeping?
I go for all of my clothes.
Where you
man.
sleeping at night? You can't sleep in my clothes at night time.
What you mean me can't sleep?
That's
in
one
a
I
no
rule
clothes?
in my house. My
Oi,
house.
you're
can't.
going too far. Remember, say we not there, you know.
What do you mean so we're not there? So
I pay me, they pay you for you act like I say we there, we not there. It's a deal.
I mean, I like your style.
Just like us,
I
when you
just
got...
everywhere you are win.
No, I mean, now, when you know, like when you got some foreign country, you can't find no woman or no man for marry you, you pay them. And then you just, when you sort out your paper, them you just divorce and give them back their money. That's so. So me they pay you for do this a job here.
But this a sound like something you plan a long time.
No, me not planning long time.
It's all good, man. All right, Lucretia, we talk.
Paul, me know you long time, but me not plan it long time.
But make it sense.
And you me choose to do this a job here for me. So tap go on so man. Chow, you go on so. You know say me have friend already.
Something not going up for you there.
What?
Something not going up for you.
Mhm.
Fire for gash.
The fire. Only for water there for cool you. Dash it on you, OT. Later, me I go for me clothes them.
So fire take you can't out, you know. Ever burning.
Hello there.
Watch out. You see that? Look.
Mr. and Mrs. Stand Up.
Well said. Oh, come in,
How you
man.
doing? How you doing? You don't have any dogs?
No man, them tie up around the back.
Dead.
Okay. The dogs, them dead and tie up around the back. Hi. Good day, Mr. and Mrs. Stand Up. How you guys doing?
Good day, sir. Nice meeting you again.
Yes, man, it's a pleasure. I mean, it wasn't even difficult to find a place, you know. All right, man,
I know
just
you'd
sit down.
find where.
Yeah, man, you see, so I have to do visits like this because I don't want nobody to give me false information or make believe situations to actually sort out. So you don't know my work actually starts right about now, you know.
Okay, no problem.
All right, so the address is confirmed. So yes, you guys do live where on the son live. All right, so far the description that you guys give me is as is. So let us see on the inside now.
Yes, you can walk this way because at the front, the cleaner is in there right now and everything is in the walkway. So I would love for you to walk around the back. So walk this way.
Oh, okay, what that way?
This way.
All right, I mean. Okay. All right then. So my job here is done. I guess it's off until we meet again. So set up the meeting to actually meet with the kid. All right. Have yourselves a good day.
Okay, you too.
Okay, chief.
What you messing?
Hey, this a man your head shine.
Alright now.
Bigger, so.
You're not left tonight, no.
What do you mean, me
Yeah,
not?
spend the night.
How about with it?
You're spending the night?
You're not free to do this for.
Hmm?
So you think me I go come sleep over? You're mad.
So
I
stay
pay
there.
me to pay you to do this. So what can I sleep over here?
No, I'm just say ill time later this thing nobody have to pack up the things and go. Enough things you know. Come you know, you plan to spend weekend and you carry 2 suitcases. So
Me
whatever.
not spend no weekend. That
So make it
was
stay.
just that was just the thing when me have to tell you for you do this. So take it out of your head. Stop looking me my you.
Operation,
We not
listen to me.
want you. We not there.
Something wrong with you?
No, we not there. We just
Look how far we are come from and the chemistry we have make everything come true when you come go and like say you can't make. Just spend a one night, man.
Come on, just let me get the little thing in a piece.
Just sleep in my bed tonight.
No, me not stay in your bed later. Look how me come check you.
All right, so guys, it's a special day today. And if you guys are lucky, she is definitely going to be taking 2 of you guys. All right, hi, Mrs.
What's wrong with her?
That's okay. That she's just like that at times.
Okay,
you know?
but
So,
I think I love that one. And
like her?
This one. Oh, so what's that one name? The one that crying?
that is Layla.
Okay, and I need that cute one over there in the orange one.
That is Raina.
Okay, hi Raina.
Hello, come say hi.
Hi Raina.
Come say hi. Nice. Yes. All right.
Hi, how are you? Can
Say
I lift you
hello.
up?
Oh, nice.
Girl.
Like a match made in
she's
heaven.
cute.
Like a match made in heaven, man.
Yeah, she's a pretty girl. Come here, Layla.
And so we have this little one here as well. All right. And so we have little Layla here
Wait, hang on. That's me. Come on.
and
Yeah.
Raina all together. So you said we're
Wait,
choosing.
hang on.
Alright, so she gone back and sit down.
Okay.
So you'll
Layla,
be taking
come.
these two. So alright. So I guess we can go inside and finish up the paperworks.
Layla, come here. Come and look at this.
So we can go inside and finish up the paperworks.
Wait, hang on. Wait.
Look at this.
Come. Let's
So you're getting along lovely with them. man.
Yes.
Nice. That's
Layla,
lovely,
come.
That's lovely.
Layla.
Alright, so we're just going to step inside the office
Okay.
and sort out the
All right,
paperwork.
let's go. All right, wait until I come back.
Oh, by the way, where is your husband? I noticed that I didn't see him and you coming just now.
Unfortunately, he couldn't make it.
He couldn't make it.
No, he has gone to work.
He's at work. Oh, okay. Well, I did meet him already, and I did come to the house, so it's perfectly fine. So
Okay.
no problem.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun.
Hold on it. Ball.
How that bird?
What youth? John no star.
Where you go?
How some me a go man, me up a place up a river, me da go still and go meet somebody and I sit now.
Walk and chat, man. Where you go, man?
We are the as a
Walk
virgin.
and roll in, man. With a reason. A long time to see you, know.
Right.
Come chat, man. Come in.
Alright, may I stay a couple minutes?
Let's park over there, sir.
No, sir. What is that?
Well, a long time to stop, brother, you know, man.
Ball to bomb.
What's cool, man?
Yes.
It's a good vibe. Who the pass down the reason? Eh?
I'm going to pay you to move, man. The funny man used to beat me up. Look at.
That's cool, man. That's cool, man. That's cool. I know say I say go, man.
How you dealing, man?
Well, I'm there and
Yeah,
there.
no, man. I'm glad to see you, man. How you, when you are there, say ask me.
Brother, I'm tell you this now. It's like nothing really now work out the way I want it to work out based on, you know, finances and all them something there. On as I expect. So it's like I try to look away and think. But you know, when you forward, you forward.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Come and know say, you know what I mean? You wonder what really I go on. I want them to tell me story, because you love to tell me story
Yeah,
about.
no, say, what you do for yourself still? You know, how you do?
I same old man. You know me, I
You
can't
see, man,
spend
boy,
time
you
to do
know,
that kind of stuff.
change, boy, I'm glad to see you, man.
Yo,
We think all boy, they all are foreign.
yeah, man. Yeah, man. Bro, look at love laugh off of Mr.
Yeah,
Bird.
man, I know, true. Hey, kind of fun when you know somebody from them little
I true, I true,
adult
man.
stage,
I true,
but
man.
right through the years, we know you, man. Me
like
a virgin,
that.
man. All used to beat up me rotted. Boy, I tell you.
Yo, I can show you vibes. You know, sir.
Yeah, man, I'm not the man. I don't tell me to see, but I'm not the man. I'm a good
It's
man.
like somebody up at my yard, you know. I don't know if I remember Lucretia. You Lucretia?
What you say?
Lucretia.
No, repeat the name, man.
That's school, of man.
Jesus. Hold on, a while back, you know.
Yeah,
Me and
man.
me youth, them, you know, me see your Lucretia, you know, but... Oh! Me bombat! All come together now.
Yeah.
Oh, so you and Lucretia?
No. No. Me and Lucretia
Yeah.
just do some stuff, you know. I remember for the time I look at her and she said, no.
Yeah.
She run in now, come link me and come tell me about some system where, you know, she gonna move in my house and, you know what I mean, and
Wait, so...
have some adoption business going on and up on my yard and things.
No,
So
man, hold on. But a while back, a good while back, me line her up on something, adoption. No, man, me make she deal with some adoption thing, man. Me make she adopt 2 youth and them sitting there and so forth. You know about that, no?
yeah, man.
Okay, so let me tell you all the jokes. She's supposed to nice, you know.
Let me nice.
I mean nice. She's supposed to nice, man, because
Let
me
me
line her
nice.
up. So hold on there. So you and her together with the youth them.
Yeah, because she want one little place to stay and
Then if you 2 hours now work and a little link on me gear, she no most nice, man. I 2 youth together and I line her up and 60 grand a youth she get.
what
So
the bump on her, yeah, tell me
hold
so.
on, I want me to get myself in a trouble, you know.
Hold on, Bird.
Wait.
Bird.
Wait. Jesus.
This is
Christ.
something I say.
Eh.
How about the system, man? Because Bird always fly around. You are tell me, say, you line her up on a link to get $60,000.
I'm not really the link alone in the youth. I just that she not no youth and she want youth.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, me know somebody down at the agency where could have get line up and whatever. And, you know, even if your house are too stable, but make it look all right.
that.
And there's a lot of kids that want adoption. So when me line her up on that now and the government kind of put her help in and give her like a 60 grand a month per youth. So, me not...
60 grand a month per youth, me bump on it. People tear up my face.
Jesus, please, no, me
Girl.
get myself no problem.
No, no problem get yourself because you help a brother out. So you have to me to get $60,000
That
per
120.
me bump on it. So Lucretia, it's like a jackpot you get every month.
So, but you and I not together, what happened?
Me and her is never together. Me have to look her, but she not give me no lead way.
Jeez, I can't understand what I'm going now.
So, Bird,
Oh.
Jesus. So this is a thing where link her up.
Yeah,
I can't even understand how to explain it right now. Because it's a Lucretia right now. I make me start pre some different kind of meds. Because she have me up at the house, stay in the shop at my house, and I stay there putting my name out to hold my food up there, right? And also, I give me $10,000. $10,000 she give me, she a pay me a thing. Say she a pay me a thing.
So hold on there. Oh, jeez and peace. No, but, you know, the how she come to me still in a virgin, you know. Because I see looking at her face and I say, boy, I never line her up on something legit. So, me not really, you know.
Boy, bird, me thank you for telling me, man.
Ah,
Thank you
jeez.
for telling me.
Hey, no call me name.
No, me not call her name, man. Me not have to call her name. Me just want to know,
No
say,
call me name.
this a Ponzi scheme what she a put me in a. Me a go just step myself out tight. As simple as that. Right now, me go mask go straight up on the yard and, you know what I mean? Because, bird, if you in a situation, wouldn't you want me to tell you and help you with that situation?
Me not say no still, you know, but
Because because you have understand, so don't feel like I put you in one problem or
yeah,
wait,
that's a for me
me
thing
now
still.
call your name. Me just go tell you I say me hear certain things.
Well, me never really know still, because, you know, through your ask about the name, me think, so, you know, so. But anyway, as long as you don't really call me name back.
No, me not call your name,
Me not
bro.
really, and I circumstance now, I just joy when me see the man still, because, you know, from a little from where I go
Yeah,
basic to
for
high school to see you
Yeah.
on the road, a good while me not see you, me see you now, so,
Yeah, man.
you know, and so forth. I'm glad me see you.
Yeah,
A
man,
long
I'm glad.
time when they say, sometimes I made me wonder, how are you there? How am I you? Sometimes I remember lick there and two rock stone me a feel and run back in the yard and can't come out.
Yo, when we are kids,
Me know,
we do kid stuff.
me know.
Now we up, you know what I mean?
Yeah. But it's good for see you still. Me not telling a lie.
Good, man. Yo,
It's big up for see you.
as always,
Me I want your number.
yeah, man, take
You
back my
know,
number.
man. Alright, my phone in the bus.
Phone your boss.
Call a number, yeah.
Yeah, just punch in your number in the phone,
Alright,
man.
now punch in the number.
Lucretia. Oh, Lucretia.
Alright, just save it there still. And give me a link because
Yeah,
me
man.
not see her again in a good while. Me not see her. I'm not going to see her again. So you don't know anything. Go.
All right.
So, link
me
up
see.
still. And through me and some people them never pick up the road.
Yeah, man, they
so
think,
you don't
man.
know.
They are going.
Nice to see you still, man.
Yes, man.
Big
But
up, man.
straight up a yard now, go. Bird, we shall get it. Yes, sir.
But we no fool.
Nah, man, everything good, man.
We
Me not
know,
control,
you
man.
know. He's an arrogant little brother, you know, man. And we little to right
That's
to me.
cool,
You know.
man. Hey.
You think we forget?
Oh, yes, tell man. We talk. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
man. Big up here.
All right, my boss.
Boss, respect.
Lucretia, how are you up on step? Lucretia, you are one wicked. You feel someone to find out? Eh? You feel someone to find out what going?
Find out what?
When me say find out, say what? Eh?
Find out what?
Explain yourself right now before me have to tell you in details what me hear a road. But what you a do?
What me I do?
When me say what me a
Me I
do?
do something what you don't know?
Lucretia, stop going like a nonsense, Lucretia. And that with you, you know, when you just stubborn.
Me not do nothing.
What me say, you did in my house. 2 pit in my house. I do what?
Now live there with you?
Live with me. Lucretia, you really give me $10,000. How much money I collect the pit them?
18,000. I hit the person that give me. I hit me. I forget.
Which person I give you? Which person I give you money? Hey,
Money.
are you
Me not have to
really,
tell you how.
are you really stubborn enough for you stuck in a this
Where you come
thing?
out? How more money you want? Where you come out?
When me say more money,
Why you
more
come
want.
to me with this?
Me not in this foolishness.
What you mean
Me done
foolishness?
it. You see this here? Come out of the situation.
Where you talk about?
What you mean? Lucretia, what you really get? Me I go out, and that's why you feel come straight.
How come straight? You already know say me have to live here so.
For do what?
Because of the place where me get the picnic them from. You understand?
You collect how much money for your pitting them? How much money you collect for your pitting them? Me here say, you
don't collect no money
I
for
collect money for the pitting them 60,000 a piece. And you are going to give me $10,000. You know what kind of thing is that? Eh? You know what kind of thing is that? Right now, yo, it's everything. More everything just crash.
Where you talk about?
Matter of fact, more you come out of my place.
Motor which place? Oh, hello. Let me tell you something. You see any money when me they collect? Number one, me never tell you where me they get it from. And me never tell you who me they get it from and why me getting it. So where you come about? Where you get this as... Look here.
You really see the
Torment me spirit. Where you get this a foolishness from? Where you talk about?
No, where me get it from? But you know, say everything on me are coming right now, it connect.
Connect.
Let me say, if it connect. What I'm telling you is what is the truth. It is the truth. And you use me
Alright,
in this situation. Yeah.
Look here. Tap now, tap. Let me tell you the truth. Just come off of my backbone. Cause you come like you want your man to lick flesh off of my body. Yes, Paul. Me a collect money for pitney them. Yes, so what?
And all this
Yes,
time.
from the adoption place. Me get 60,000 every month. So if me give you 10,000, let me know if you give
And
you
60,000 you get every month.
How?
120,000 you get every month. 60,000 per child.
So y'all check how much me get.
What you mean to check? Information me I get because it's a Ponzi scheme, a business you deal with.
Really? I check how much me get for each child.
I mean I tell you, saying if you leave my place.
I'm not leaving, and you cannot make me leave. How that possible? How you gonna make me leave?
You have to come out of my place, simple as that. I mean, say,
why?
pack up your stuff them, just like you pack them in, you pack them out.
Really?
That's simple as that.
You feel say, you say it easy, so you go. Remember, say if police involved in this, are the two of we get locked up, the two of we go down. Me one not going down.
So what you mean?
What?
This a police business?
And me and you in this together, it's not me alone. Me a collect money, and me they give you inheritance to who you. You think me a fool? Eh?
And then me I tell me say a jail
Okay, a lucky thing say me ain't come there with you. Can't see it there. Foolish man.
Lucretia. What is this here? What is
Look
this?
on you.
What is this?
One like you're educated and intelligent.
Let me say go I'm intelligent.
More full of knowledge more than anybody else. You think say you're intellectual more than anybody else? Eh? Actually you're big and dumb and stupid. That's why me fool you damn jackass. You can't run me out. That me I tell you.
I want thing me I tell you, yeah, I go to jail.
Inform me.
And you alone I go to jail. That me I tell you. Me not go to jail.
Me not go no jail.
Me not go to jail.
And if me go to jail, are the two of we a go.
So we are going to know you.
Nobody not go
Come
no
out of my
jail.
house.
Come out of which
Come
house?
out of my house.
Come out of which house?
Come, Lucretia, come out of my house.
Don't call out me
Me
name.
I go down the road now, and by the time I come back, you're supposed to come out of my house.
Come out
You
of
understand
my
me I say?
You can't take me out.
Me can't take you
You
out.
cannot take me out.
Me can't take you out.
You can't take me out.
Alright, that you say. My house for me build and buy.
You know, say you think-
you and buy everything in it. You're gonna tell me say me can't take you out. Eh?
Who you?
Who me?
Eh. You know why me never there with you from the beginning? Eh?
What me?
Because me find out say you can't breed nobody either. You know say me can't breed.
You say you're a mule.
Yes sir.
Eh?
Thank God.
Yeah.
Mhm. So what? All the better. But the two picking them when me go get from the adoption. Cha, who you? You're not
Come out of
You
the
better
place
just
by
go
time
on.
me. Let me
You
say.
better just go on. The two picking
Yo.
them when me a collect money from.
Yeah, you hear me I say?
You
Don't
stop me
get
from
me
it.
from the wrong side. Come out to the place.
And where you look?
I know why me I look.
Fight
You're in my
me.
you're in my place yet about why me I look.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah.
Look here, stand about your hee-haw. Here your backside. You think you can take me out of this? I lie you they can throw me in this together.
Morning, sir.
Mr. Tanup.
Mr. Tanner, yeah, man.
I don't recall we having a meeting for today.
Alright, the first thing is this, sir. Me know me have a meeting and thing. I'm glad to even see you here and in no persons dealing with right now.
Yes.
But me gonna leave everything for the table, boss. Me no name Mr. Tanup. And the last time me come here and come say me name Fiverr Tanup, that to me is ridiculous. You understand? And me want to just really lay, as me say, everything on the table and make you know say I lie. She a tell. Look, is it Lucretia?
So are you going to tell me now that you are not even married?
Me not married to, can't marry to she.
Don't understand why people do these things. Let me hear the story.
Boss, me tell you this. It look like I want Ponzi scheme I go on, you know, cause here, you know, she, you know, I do this thing all over because of money. And money she a do it. She don't even have a proper place to keep it. Me.
But I thought she lived.
No, but no, boss, she don't live with me.
She does not live in
She
St.
don't
James.
live, no, sir.
Lucy St. James, she does not live there.
No, sir. She don't live there,
But
sir.
I came to your house.
Yes, boss, it was part of the Ponzi scheme. I'm going to be honest with you. You see, because I'm not getting in trouble and I realize that this can go to jail and prison, me not depend on no more, boss. I'm going to take out myself out of it totally. You understand? The woman, I do this thing because of money business. And she just have a collect. And fee say, me, If you just get used, go straight through. So what me want to do, boss, is come to you and make you know, say, me not up to none of this no more. And me sorry for come, me sorry for even start the process of being a part of this thing. You understand me, as a boss?
What is your right name, sir?
My right name is Paul.
Sir Paul.
Yes.
You know, I did smell a rat. I smelled a rat, you know. However, I never did put it together. I was just observing and noticing what was happening. And I gave you guys the benefit of the doubt. Because in the scheme of things, the symmetrics didn't add up. I was surprised to the fact that the computer actually, the data, the analog actually gave you no qualifications.
Yeah, because even me don't know how she be. Me don't know color, me don't know and sitting there. And me just have to just, if you realize every time me ask you question about long panel, because me don't know how they be. Me be honest with the boss. Me don't look front for her one time. And she never give me none. So now when she come in yard and tell me about this thing, me feel like say boy, alright, it's the next opportunity. But when she open my yard now and she want to sleep in her room on the side, no one give me no front. Me just bother with everything and then the money thing. Boss, me just don't want to get in no trouble. That's my major thing, boss. You think me I get no trouble, sir?
Seeing as you come forward and the kids has been with her for only a short period of time, I don't think anything should be happening at this point in time. I won't press charges.
Alright.
I, however, would appreciate you don't say anything to her. First and foremost, is she still at your home?
Yeah, man, she will come out and she don't want to come out. Like she feel like I don't say live.
Alright.
Like I up there and catch me, not understand why she feel like say, me can't do that. Me not get no fun, me can't make nobody come in the yard because the people don't go think say me and she involved in something.
Are the kids them alright?
The kids them alright, man, them want my food. Me can't, if me buy 30,000 of grocery, then feel like if it done the same night. Can't bother with this boss, I have to tap somewhere. Cause me just a lose all the way around. I can't take them a situation, sir. So I'm glad you tell me say me not get a problem with the police and the law and thing. So what you say I gotta do? You come up there?
I am going to definitely come collect back the kids because that is a breach of the contract.
But me not no problem.
No, sir. You will not be
Alright.
in farm problems. I will sort it out from my end. However, I would want you to not let that young lady know that you have come to me and tell me what is going on.
And she just text me again, you know?
Don't let her be aware of what you've just told me. And this was one of the reasons why we did implement the government system wherein we assist with the payment of the kids'
money and give it.
offset.
Money and give it.
We did give, stated that we were going to give her a stipend at the end of each month to assist with the taking care of the kids. But I should have smelled the rat and I should have known when she came in and was explaining to me the amount of job money, the amount of money she was earning, but still she signed up for the grant. And that was optional, so I would have assumed that a woman in her stature, based on how she painted herself, would have done that. However, she still took the grant. So, you know, I'm going to blame myself on this one. I really had a bad judge of character in these settings. And I thank you very much for coming forward before it even reached further.
Yes, man.
And I do appreciate it.
Yes, man.
Mr. Paul.
My name Paul Brown, sir.
Mr. Paul.
Paul Brown. Nobody don't turn up business for
Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul.
That them think that disrespect me want to give it to you know. That even when she say it about forever turn up. How many for forever turn up and she not give me and she not stung for my thing? Me for forever turn up, yeah. And that she say. And boss, respect you, sir.
Yeah, man. Thank you for coming in.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for coming down. I guess I need to sort out some things. I'm going to sort out some paperwork in order to go collect back these kids. So unfortunate, you know. And the losers in this case is not even the she nor you, are the kids, because they had hope, thinking they were going to take a good home, and say no.
Got you, man.
It's a setback. This is another trauma.
But boss, I wonder one thing. If like how I spend so much money for grocery fee,
sir,
the time there.
I'd wish you to have a good day because I see where you're going with this, and we do not refund money
for keep it.
You speak to Lucretia, your supposed wife, about that.
Me not go chat to her.
Sir?
Yeah, man.
Please.
Respect my boss. Say something like that, right, sir?
No,
No
no,
trouble.
man. No, man. But I'd like to thank you for being a good looking infant.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And
Respect.
the matter, boss, I can't me say, no.
I appreciate it, sir.
Everything, from now on, go to jail, me alright. You only for go to jail, no dirty Ponzi scheme business, not deal with.
You see, this is the dishonesty that plagues the country, you know.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Yes. Good day, good afternoon. How you doing?
I am good. Thank you.
Miss Lucretia.
Hello, sir.
Miss Lucretia Tanoff.
Hi.
If that is even your real name.
I don't expect you today.
You know, I think you know exactly why I'm here, you know.
What is it?
I'm here to collect back the kids.
Why?
You lied to me on your application. You told me your whole, I can't believe it. Is that even your real name?
Lucretia is my name, of course. What is the problem?
Lucretia Tanop is your real name.
Yes, of
Are
course.
you really married?
Oh, yes.
See it? You're standing there and telling me a lie. Your supposed husband, Mr. Tanop, came to give me a visit down by the office today. And him tell me the
Really?
whole story.
Honey, what kind of thing is this? You really come take back a pit them? Eh?
You shut your mouth. Because you is the cause of this. So don't come into my business and acting like you don't know. You is everything in it.
Yes, exactly.
Come, kids.
No, man, I can't do that. Like, just give her a chance. Give her a chance.
Sir?
Give her a chance.
Sir.
Listen to me, now, man. Just give her a chance.
Sir, would you rather we bring the authorities? Come, Raina.
No.
You're not coming.
Please, please, don't take them away, sir. Please.
Look, this is not going to happen. I cannot lose my job over this. You lied to me on the application, and that is not acceptable.
Later.
It cannot happen. I need.
Okay. Okay, kids, you have to go.
I need
I'm
to
sorry.
take these kids.
I love you, but
If
you have to go, yeah?
want the kids, you have to go through the proper channel. You will have to come and fill out the application and be honest on
Okay.
the application. You cannot lie to me and then put me in jeopardy to lose my
I am
work.
so sorry.
I cannot believe this. We have to go. Come.
Okay, kids, you have to go, please. Sorry.
Look, gonna have to come. We're going to get ice cream. I'm going to get ice cream. Come, Layla. Come, kids. We have to go. Come. Let's go. Come on. Come. Let's go, girls. Come on. Let's go, girls. Yes. Come, girls. That's it. I'm sorry. I will come and collect her stuff another time, but we have to take the kids then back home. All right. Let's go. Okay, no problem.
So as we always I say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, "Oh, me no need that. Me no need that." It's not no Viagra. You know me I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use say make the capsule them and they are for enhancement. You don't know you can't expect say if you are 50 or 60 or 40 you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, I'm not talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up, same Instagram handle there, so you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and there is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right. All right. Big up on yourself as always. My name is Richard Brown. Thank you guys for watching this movie that we just post. You don't know how our things set already. We always try to ensure that the movies that we create are something I will invoke change and I will come with a positive message. So you don't know it already. Thank you to everybody that has been supporting us from last year leading over to this year. The people that were new to the channel, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for being a part of this whole entire journey. The intention for this year is that we definitely want to step into a new league. We want to try something new in terms of streaming platforms, and the aim is the sky is the limit. So what we are trying to do now, we are trying to jump and start something towards that. We wanted to start it last year, but you know, last year I don't think last year was the right time, but this year is the right time. So we kind of structure up some things, and hopefully soon but soon we can start something in terms of a little big. Not as a big budget, but a little budget. That's a low budget like with what we've been doing. But nonetheless, thank you guys for always showing love and support to we. It has been a journey. We continually look new people. I have a whole bunch of people reaching out to me, contacting me, wanting to be a part of what we're doing. But at the end of the day, we just have to narrow it down and just try to get the best set of people then, because we want to make sure that the team is strong and we don't have no weak link. So we are ensure so we get some new females. So if there are females out there that want to join the Richard Brown Films team, feel free to message me on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, and we can talk about how you can be a part of what we've been doing. You know what I say? That's one of the main thing. As I always say, thank you again, guys, for watching. And if there are persons out there that want to contribute to what we've been doing, because you don't know it's a lot of hard work right now. I am physically tired because me just finished a movie, and me just post one and me post one before that. So we on a roll. So I am physically tired, and it takes a lot to do what we do. But at the end of the day, we know what we're doing and we know where we want to go. But in order for we continue to do what we are do, we need your support in terms of contribution just the same. We not walk and we not beg, but at the end of the day, we are asked. So if you feel like you want to give something towards what we're doing, well, kudos. We accept it and we keep it going. One of the things that I wanted to do from last year, I'm gonna fully do it, is I want to furnish the apartment that we rent. Because right where you see me I do the video upstairs, and that's how we do. We want to fully furnish the apartment. I try to get a table and a couch, and some maybe a little night table for each one of the room, and a little bedded, and just stuff to make the house look like a house, because that's one of the challenge why, if you notice, we film a lot outside because the house is not fully furnished as how we want it. So that's one of the main thing that we want to do this year. Whether or not we get help from persons to do it, I myself feel like I'm going to take a risk, put some money together put in some furniture in the house so it can look like at the house what we intend for it look like. Probably put a TV on the wall, put some decor in the place, make it kind of look up so we can actually start do some more filming inside because we want to do some filming inside because if you notice guys, a lot of what we do is outside. So we want to incorporate the apartment a little bit more. We have a fridge. We feel like we want to change out the fridge, put in a bigger fridge, put in a bigger stove. So there are a lot of things that I want to do. But the money thing set on Jamaica hard, and everything that we do on YouTube is out of pocket. You know what I mean? I say so. And like say, boy, we have money and we're rich. We just go and do it. And for me, my estimate, I think we have been doing a wonderful job so far based on what the comments are saying and people are saying. We are doing a good job. So I feel like we're doing a good job. So big up on yourself. Thank you again for supporting. One of the things I want to say before I go on, this is the last thing I'm going to say is my son. I am super proud of him because him just start film just the other day. It hasn't reached, I don't think it has reached 3 months since him start film, and I am proud of him. This movie that you watch, him film it one before and him film it. All me do, tell him the story and him go out, set the camera, then film him, come back and him partially edit this one to where I watch because I allow him to put the editing together and me just do the final touches, put on the music and the title and da. But I am super proud of him because him a shoot, him a act, and him a edit. So soon but soon, me can just sit back and not do nothing at all and him just fulfill the dream. You know me I say, cause me I get older, which better that old still, but I think we're already. So big up on yourself, continue to show love and support while we continue to go and put in the work and make proud.